Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. In the last lecture, we talked about a creation of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala called Ruh alayhi salam, either a type of an angel or a creation other than angel that is much greater than angel. In that lecture, we talked about the Karobiyoon, and I told you that Karobiyoon and the Ruh alayhi salam category angels or category creation, if put together into 10 parts, out of which 9 parts would be the Kurrobiyyon and only 1 part would be the Ruh, a Ruh creation. So there are so many Karobiyoon. So there came a question, who are Karobiyoon? I also wanted to talk about with you the Rawhaniyun, but inshallah, if you're interested, we can talk about Rawhaniyun some other time. Today we'll talk about Karobiyoon. There is an ayah in the Quran, in Surah Al-Mutaffifin, ayah number 21, in which Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala says, يَشْهَدُهُ الْمُقَرَّبُونَ, witnessed by those nearest to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. These Muqarrabun angels are among the Karobiyoon. So Karobiyoon are basically categorized as the leader angels of all angels. So Jibreel alayhi salam, Mikael alayhi salam, Israfil alayhi salam, they are part of Al-Muqarrabun, and they are from Cherubim. When asked about the Karobiyoon from Abu al-Khattab ibn Dahya, that does the word Karobiyoon comes in the books of Lughah or the dictionary, he said yes, these are the leaders of the angels, and these are from Muqarrabun, as the word Karobiyoon means the one in the qurb of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Abu al-Khattab ibn Dahya says, have you not heard this verse from a poem? كَرُّوبِيَّةٌ مِّنْهُمْ رَكُوعٌ وَالسُّجَّدُ, that these karubis are in the sajda position or in the raku' position, and this is reported in Tazkiratu Shaykh Tajuddin ibn Maktoum. And as far as the Karobiyoon are the leaders of the angels, and Sayyidina Jibreel, Sayyidina Mikael, Sayyidina Israfil alayhimus salam are from among them, is reported in Kitabul Fa'iq. And then comes the question, okay, is there a mention of Karobiyoon in the books of Hadith? Yes. Jabir radiyallahu ta'ala anhu narrates this from the Prophet sallallahu alayhi wa alihi wasallam. He said, Inna lillahi malaikatan wa humul Karobiyoon. And among the angels of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, there are angels who are called Karobiyoon. And from their earlobe to their clavicle, if a very fast flying bird would start flying, it would keep flying for 500 years, and that distance will be barely completed. Subhanallah. That's how massive and huge the Karobiins are. And this hadith is reported in Tarikh al-Damashq al-Kabir by Ibn Asakir, in volume number 43, page number 60, hadith 4958. Similarly, in Jam'ul Jawami', volume 3, page 130, hadith 7784. And also Imam As-Suyuti reports it in Al-Haba'ik fi Akhbar al-Mala'ik, page 133, hadith 490. Similarly, Uthman al-A'raj, who is a tabi'i, means he is from the students of the companions of Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam. He says, قال إن مساكن الرياح تحت أجنحة الكروبيين حملة العرش. Among the Karobiyoon angels are those angels that are holding up the throne, Arsh. And under their wings are the treasure of winds of different types. Again, this is reported in Kitab al-Uzma, volume number 4, page 1335, hadith 841. And also Imam As-Suyuti reports it in Al-Haba'ik fi Akhbar al-Mala'ik, page 133, hadith 491. And just so that you know, Abu al-Khattab ibn Dahya, he mentioned a verse that I told you that Karobiins are in the ruku' position or in the sajda position. Karobiyoon minhum raku'un wa sujjadu. This particular poem is reported in Nasim al-Riyad, in Lisan al-Arab, in Taj al-Urus, and also in Tahzib al-Lugha. And this particular verse was stated by Umayyah bin Abi Salat. Anyway, I hope this answers your question. Again, if you are interested in knowing about the Rawhaniyoon, please let me know and we can talk about it next time. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.